You're watching Closing Bell on the world leader in business news, CNBC.
In today's Closing Bell close-up, an IPO that has been hotter than Google. You probably never even heard of it. It's 51job, a kind of monster.com for China. The stock has significantly outperformed Google over the roughly 2 months that it has been trading. Silicon Valley Bureau Chief Jim Goldman has the story.
Hot off the presses, and they can't get their copies fast enough.
It's internet and it's China. What can be better?
What is it? China's hottest job search company and one of Wall Street's best performing IPOs this year. 51job showing investment opportunities are ripe in China if you know where to look. And venture capitalist David Chow, he knew where to look.
He's my protector from all the bad Chinese deals.
Chow's Dahl Capital Management saw huge potential in China, especially for a jobs listing company 4 years ago. Double-digit annual economic growth and 211 million white-collar workers who could now choose their own jobs rather than be assigned to one by the government. And 51job was unique, an online jobs listing site that also offered offline listings as well. A circular the company sells for 12 cents on Mondays and then gives away free the following Thursday.
People like to read magazines or newspaper out there. It's part of the culture. And it's also, people don't commute to work driving. You know, they take a train or a bus. And what do? People read newspapers. In 51job, the team was bright enough to figure out that offline is the leverage and the catalyst and the turbocharger of the online side.
Local knowledge that helped Chow turn a $14 million investment for a 30% stake in 51job 4 years ago into something worth $266 million today.
It's a wild, wild west out there.
With tremendous opportunities for the careful investor. 51job soaring since its September IPO. Forbes just named the stock one of its top 10 picks for 2005. Success, but not without words of caution from the top names in VC.
We have like Sarbanes-Oxley, SEC, full disclosure, good accounting practices, good business practices that are somewhat different, not bad or good, different.
Within that craziness, you know, there are, diamonds in the rough.
And 51job's investors seem to be enjoying their glittering gem. Where did the name 51job come from? Huyo, like I really know what I'm talking about here. Huyo is Chinese for 51, and also I want, a little inside baseball here, but 51 really means I want. If I'm hungry, 51 pizza. 51job in China translates into iwantajob.com. Investors may be thinking it means more like I'm making big money.com instead. Tyler, back to you.
Huyo, Jim Goldman. Thanks. All righty.